Aeon stock analysis next week, Monday. Is it a buy or maybe a sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Want to be very clear, Aeon Biopharma stock is not in a great place as of right now, although it's 12% up. Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of quick predictions, and all of it has been called out for free on my YouTube channel before anything happened. I've talked about this. Here you can see if I saw a double break, I was willing to take it up, but that was back in July, right? So that never happened. And the only thing that will make me be bullish in this certain environment right now for Aeon Biopharma stock is going to be breaks above 26 cents, which just pretty much means double from where we are right here. And you can see this prediction I just have it as pointing down. We have upcoming earning report 26th, so that's going to be 2 days before the whole month ends. So yeah, here we're going to see how that's going to look like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.